Welcome back to Legacy Analysis, where we break down the stocks that are making waves and the ones that are about to. Today, we're diving deep into Birks Group Inc., ticker BGI, a stock that's been quietly building momentum and is now being whispered as the next potential meme stock. If you're already familiar with BGI, you know this isn't your average jewelry retailer. This is a company with a unique float structure, a loyal investor base, and a recent surge in buying activity that's got everyone talking. So, what's going on with BGI, and where could this stock be headed? Let's break it down, fundamentally, technically, and psychologically. First, let's talk technicals. BGI has been on a wild ride recently. After trading in a tight range for most of the year, we've seen a significant breakout in volume and price action over the last few weeks. The stock is up 5% in the past month alone, and the buying pressure shows no signs of slowing down.
Why?
Well, let's look at the float. BGI has an incredibly low float, only around 11.59 million shares outstanding. For context, that's tiny. When you combine a low float with heavy retail interest, you get the kind of volatility we're seeing now. If buying continues at this pace, the stock could easily see a short squeeze scenario, especially with a short interest that's been creeping up. Here's the kicker. The short interest ratio is sitting at around 10 days to cover. That means if the buying frenzy continues, shorts could be forced to cover their positions, adding even more fuel to the fire. And let's not forget, this is a stock that's traded as high as $9 in the past. With the current price hovering around $1.70, there's plenty of room for upside if momentum builds. Now, let's talk fundamentals. Birks Group is a luxury jewelry retailer with a strong brand presence in Canada and the US. They've been around since 1879, so they've got history on their side. But here's the thing, BGI has been struggling with profitability. Their latest earnings report showed a net loss, and revenue growth has been sluggish. However, there's a silver lining. The company has been making strides in reducing debt and improving operational efficiency. Plus, they've been expanding their e-commerce platform, which could be a game changer in a post-pandemic retail environment. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why is BGI suddenly on everyone's radar? Well, it's a combination of factors. First, there's the meme stock potential. Retail investors on platforms like Reddit and Twitter are starting to take notice of BGI's low float and high short interest. Second, there's been some recent news that's adding fuel to the fire. Just last week, speculation about Birks Group announcing a partnership with a major luxury brand to expand their product offerings. While the details are still under wraps, this kind of news is exactly what could spark a rally in a stock like BGI. So, where does this leave us? Well, if the buying continues, we could see BGI test key resistance levels at $2 and potentially even $3 and potentially even $6 in the near term. But here's the thing, this isn't a stock you want to hold blindly. The fundamentals are shaky, and the current price action is being driven largely by speculation. If the momentum fades, we could see a sharp pullback. That said, for traders who know how to play these kinds of setups, BGI could be a goldmine, pun intended. Here's my take, BGI is a high-risk, high-reward play. If you're already in, you're probably sitting on some nice gains. But if you're thinking about jumping in now, you need to be cautious. Watch the volume, watch the short interest, and keep an eye on any new developments. This stock has the potential to be the next big meme stock, but it could also come crashing down just as quickly. As always, do your own research, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's breakdown of Birks Group Inc. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. And let me know in the comments, do you think BGI is the next meme stock? Or is this just another pump and dump? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.